Okay, so hello. Welcome to this video. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Hope you had a great 2020. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve. Oh my god! Okay, anyway, so on with the show. Moving on with 2021. 2021 is the new year. So a new series on my channel. So the series is I'm going to build landmarks basically. So I'm going to build something quite easy today. Okay? I don't know what I'm going to build yet, so I want your suggestions. I mean, not now, obviously, but the next one. What do I build? What do I build? I was thinking of building Big Ben. Should I build? No, that's too hard. What should I build? What is an iconic landmark? I will build the Eiffel Tower. It's all very hard, isn't it? But yes, I'm going to build it. Oh no. Okay. It's what I'm building. I think I'll build it out of... So I have a picture of the Eiffel Tower. I need to imagine what it looks like. I have it on here. On my computer. Okay, so it has a big base, doesn't it? It has like two... It has, big pillars, doesn't it? Let's get building. So we're going to do 10. Don't know how this is going to turn out. Follow along if you really want to. Wait, am I doing this wrong? I don't exactly know what I'm doing. I'll figure it out somehow. And by the end of the series, there should be a whole place of landmarks. I'm telling you. I feel like I should use a different block for the base, actually. Always happens, doesn't it? Now I just want to say this video is sponsored by Soundable. Soundable is a great thing. You can listen to funky music. And you can listen to stuff like stories. Bedtime stories. So get Soundable. This video is sponsored by Soundable. Enjoy. Anyway, so done with that, I think. Or should I go one more up? I can't decide. Would that look too... It might be too small. Okay, we'll go with that. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. We're finishing with that. Right, now I need to decide what to do. So it kind of goes... kind of goes, I don't really know. That's the thing. That's the thing with my builds. I don't really know. Would you write that or stick with that? I don't really know what I'm doing. Now, whilst I'm trying to decide on what to do here, just remember to, oh, don't know what happened there, didn't seem to. Now, whilst I'm trying to do this, decide what to do. Subscribe to his channel to see more content like this. I don't really know how this is going, to be honest. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't think anyone does at the moment. Well, no one knows about this. I'm going to do the other side of this as well. But I'm not sure how I'll carry on. It's not looking too bad, is it? Comment down below what you think of it, please. And comment down below. Actually, yeah, comment down below, yeah, to see, to have what you want built next. But it might not come true for a while. But still comment. Because, I need comments, I need subscribers. And also, check out videos from Linus. Wow. The Eiffel Tower, guys. It's not the best, is it? Okay, now we'll go. It's this. Yeah. No, that's it. We'll go with that. It's a big enough gap. If you're enjoying the video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to find out about new videos. Comment down below whether you think this build will be a hit, miss, or a maybe. That means, will it be a smash hit? Like, will it be amazing? Will it be a miss? Will it be awful? Will no one like it? Or will it be a maybe? Could it work? Could it not work? Comment down below. That did not. What the flip? I always wanted to do this, so I'm going to make a mistake. I'm going to do cool editing here. Oh. Did you hear the bleep? The beep. Beep. That hurt my voice. So it started off like that. Oh, it's looking like the to make a pun there. I've just had a light bulb moment. You know that musical? Actually, no, I won't. That's an idea for another day. We're not talking about musicals now. I'm probably doing this all wrong, to be honest, But, hey... But that, is that right? Yeah, no, that's fine, that's fine. At a moment of, oh no, I've done it all wrong. No. Oh, yeah. No, that's wrong. Oh, thank goodness for that. Thank goodness I had that last minute check, otherwise. Does that look right? Yeah, that looks better. That looks more like the Eiffel Tower. Anyway, so I think I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Hit the like button if you like this video. And hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. And comment down below what you want me to do next. Comment down below whether you think this will be a hit, miss, or maybe. Until then, goodbye.
Hello, Steve here. If you could click here to subscribe, no, here to subscribe, and click over here to like the video, that would be very much appreciated. Okay, bye.